In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format text boxes in PowerPoint. This is a handy skill that can really elevate your presentations and make them more visually engaging. Whether you're designing a slideshow for a meeting, a class, or a personal project, knowing how to format text boxes gives you more flexibility and creative control over your content. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure your presentation file is ready by navigating to File and selecting it from your recent files or locating it on your computer. Once your presentation is open, go to the slide where you want to format a text box and select the box you want to work on. Right-click on the text box. A context menu will appear with various options. Look for and select Format Shape. This opens a pane on the right side of your screen with a range of formatting settings for the selected text box. Now you can customize your text box in many ways. Adjust the fill color, outline, and text alignment. You can also add effects like shadows or reflections. Experiment with different settings until your text box fits the style and theme of your presentation. You can also adjust the internal margins to ensure your text is properly positioned within the box. And that's it. By following these steps, you can format text boxes in PowerPoint to create more dynamic and visually appealing slides. The goal is to make your presentation informative, engaging, and easy to follow. Happy presenting!